The session map is designed to give you a very convenient and quick overview about what has happened in the different world markets, the status of your trading account, and key press announcements, leaving you free to focus on your trading. Setting it up. To get started, simply drag and drop the session map from the Expert Advisors list in MetaTrader 4 Navigator onto a chart. Make sure the Allow Live Trading and Allow DLL Imports boxes are checked and that Auto Trading is turned on. You're now ready to trade using the session map. Multi-screen trading. You can position the session map anywhere on your desktop or on the chart. If you want to pin it to the chart, simply click on the top left icon and select Pin, Unpin. Multiple languages. The session map operates in multiple international languages as standard and, if possible, will automatically display in the language used for your MT4. To change the session map language once the MT4 is open, simply select the language you want from the main MT4 View Languages menu and either restart the MT4 or remove and add back the session map. Session map currently supports these languages. If you would like a new language to be added, please ask. World Market Sessions. When the session map is opened, the red line on the chart shows your current local time in relation to sessions during the trading day. For example, the core trading hours when institutional dealers are most active in Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York. The red line moves from right to left. Hovering the mouse over a session bar, here we are using Sydney, opens a tooltip showing the current local time and how long it is until core trading opens or closes in that region. Clicking on this session bar shows a summary of price action for major symbols during that session. In this example, we can see that during the last session, euro-dollar fell 3.8 pips during the session, with a trading range of 26.7 pips, closing at 109.69. Please note that the prices used in the session map are an industry average and may differ very slightly from the prices displayed in individual trading platforms. Floating profit, loss, account information, and color coding. The box at the top of the map shows the current floating profit and loss of an account. In the example we are looking at, the floating profit and loss is at approximately -33. Clicking on the box shows further key account information: balance, equity, floating profit and loss, margin in use, and free margin. The map is color-coded depending on the floating profit and loss: green for profit, red for loss, grey if no open position. News markers. The bar at the bottom of the map shows markers for future news events, for example, CB Consumer Confidence. Items to the right of the current time are not in the past, they are a long way into the future. Each marker is color-coded to indicate its importance: red for high-impact events, orange for medium, and grey for low. Hovering the mouse over a marker displays a tooltip showing what the event is. Clicking on the marker shows that text in full. As you will have seen, the session map is a great personal trading assistant and is rich with features designed to help you trade more efficiently with better tools and better information. For further information, please contact us or check the website for the software's detailed user guide.